Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location, rooms are nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.4, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. Facilities like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and Category 5. Major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is fine in case love to enjoy the surrounding. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For free details, check in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching.